Accurate blood pressure measurement stands as the cornerstone in the diagnosis and management of hypertension. It's not just a number, it's a vital sign of your overall health. Correct measurements are crucial. They inform medical decisions, guiding treatment and management strategies. Incorrect measurements pose risks, potentially leading to misdiagnosis, over or under treatment, and even complications. These can range from minor health issues to severe, life-threatening conditions. Remember, a correct blood pressure measurement can be the difference between optimal health and a path of medical complications. The tool of the trade for this procedure is the blood pressure monitor, specifically the one designed for the brachial artery. This particular type of monitor is preferred due to its superior accuracy and reliability. Now let's break it down. A brachial artery blood pressure monitor consists of a cuff that wraps around your upper arm, an inflation bulb to inflate the cuff, a pressure gauge that displays the blood pressure readings, and a stethoscope to listen to the blood flow in the brachial artery. Unlike the wrist monitor, which can be affected by position and movement, the brachial artery monitor provides a more stable and reliable measurement. Its position on the upper arm, directly over the brachial artery, allows for a direct and consistent reading of the blood pressure. Indeed, the key to accurate readings lies in understanding your tool. A good understanding of your blood pressure monitor ensures you get the most accurate results. Before diving into the measurement process, some crucial steps need your attention. To start with, it's essential for the individual whose blood pressure is being measured to be relaxed and well-rested. Tension and fatigue can cause blood pressure to spike, leading to inaccurate readings. Equally important, the person should be seated comfortably with their feet flat on the ground. This stable position aids in obtaining a more precise measurement. It's also important to ensure that the individual doesn't have the urge to urinate, as this can also affect the reading's accuracy. Now let's talk about caffeine. It's a stimulant that can temporarily increase blood pressure. So if you've just had a cup of coffee or any caffeinated drink, you might want to wait a bit before measuring your blood pressure. Remember, these are not just suggestions, but key steps towards obtaining an accurate reading. Proper preparation paves the way for an accurate blood pressure reading. Now that you're prepared, it's time to proceed with the measurement. With a brachial artery monitor at the ready, we're set to take your blood pressure. Remember, this is a procedure that requires precision and patience for accurate results. Firstly, let's focus on the cuff placement. Position the cuff on your upper arm, ensuring it's snug but not too tight. The bottom of the cuff should be placed 1 inch above the bend of your elbow. This is the ideal spot to detect the pulse of your brachial artery, the major blood vessel in the upper arm. Once the cuff is in place, make sure your arm is resting comfortably on a flat surface, ideally at heart level. This will prevent any false readings due to the effects of gravity on your blood flow. Next, it's time to start the monitor. Press the start button and stay as still as possible. Any movement can interfere with the accuracy of the reading. As the monitor begins to work, you'll feel the cuff inflate and tighten around your arm. This is normal, and it shouldn't cause any pain. If it does, stop the process and make sure the cuff isn't too tight. The monitor will then slowly let air out of the cuff, and on the display, you'll see 2 numbers. The top number is your systolic pressure, which measures the force your heart exerts on the artery walls when it beats. The bottom number is your diastolic pressure, indicating the pressure in your arteries when your heart is at rest between beats. A healthy reading is generally less than 120/80, but it can vary depending on various factors such as age and overall health. If your readings are consistently high, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional. Finally, remember to wait for at least a minute before taking another measurement to allow your arteries to return to their condition before the test. With these steps, you can ensure an accurate blood pressure reading, contributing to better health management. Accurate blood pressure measurement is a skill that can help you keep track of your health. Let's jog our memory. We learned the importance of correct blood pressure measurement, familiarized ourselves with the blood pressure monitor, got tips on how to prepare for the measurement, and finally, walk through a step-by-step guide for taking the measurement. Keep in mind, feet firmly on the floor, relaxed, no urge to urinate, and no caffeine prior. Remember, your health is in your hands, and accurate blood pressure measurement is a key tool in your arsenal.